auto accident, motor vehicle collision, it changes your life in an instant. From that point forward, you really can't go back in time. It changes your life, the life of your family, the life of your loved ones, and that's why we're here to help you, to try to make you whole again. When personal injury clients come to our law firm, we see a large spectrum of mental states because every case is different. The one similarity is that everybody's coming to us for help. They have questions, they're injured, they need assistance, and that's where we step in to guide them through the process. Car accidents create a large spectrum, a large range of injuries. Some things that we see consistently are injuries that range from traumatic brain injuries and head injuries to neck, back, and spinal injuries, broken bones, injured hips. There's just such a large spectrum that it's hard to define any injury that's common. Thankfully, we have the experience to deal with all the different injuries as they come to us and help our clients get treatment for those injuries and walk them through the personal injury process. Giles Law handles all types of automobile accidents. That does include motorcycle accidents and trucking accidents. Motorcycle accidents and trucking accidents are unique. I mean, if you look at a motorcycle, the driver, the rider of a motorcycle is more vulnerable to injury and trauma as a result of a collision, just by the nature of riding a motorcycle. Trucking accidents, you have large vehicles who are carrying heavy loads, and so obviously that exposes other drivers to a large range of more significant traumas and injuries. And here we recognize that, and we have the experience at Giles Law to handle those cases and deal with the intricacies that come with them. The insurance company's goal in an auto accident is to resolve this claim or lawsuit by paying out the least amount of money possible. So at Giles Law, our goal would be the opposite. It would be to hold the insurance companies accountable to assure that our clients get the damages that they're entitled to. Damages in automobile collision are unique to each case and to each client. Some examples include past and future medical expenses, past and future pain and suffering, and lost wages. Just because the other driver, the at-fault driver in a motor vehicle collision, does not have auto insurance does not mean that our clients are not going to be able to recover damages for their injuries. What we do at Giles Law for our clients is we investigate and look into all potential insurance coverages, including looking into your own insurance to see if you have, for example, uninsured motorist coverage. Here at Giles Law, we have nearly 30 years of combined trial experience between myself and Mr. Giles. Also, he is a board-certified trial attorney who has been focusing on personal injury for the majority of his career. And I know personally that even studying all of the years of attorney experience aside, what it's like to be in a serious motor vehicle collision, because I've experienced that. And so we are able to take those years of experience and personal experience and bring that to our clients to give them the best representation possible. I think that clients hire our firm because they know that they're going to get the benefit of a smaller firm with the experience that you may see at a larger firm. If you were to ask them, I believe that our current and past clients would say that we were there to fight for them. Like, they came to us and we believed in their case, even if other people didn't, and that we were accessible, we allowed them to be heard, we allowed them to be seen, we allowed them to be respected, that we listened to what happened to them, helped them get treatment, and fought for them through the entire course of their case, even if that was into litigation. Client communication in general, is a core value of Giles Law. Communication not only with our clients, but also inside the office. Obviously, you cannot successfully handle a case from the inception through litigation if you're not communicating with each other as a team and communicating with your clients. Giles Law is different from other law firms because of the value we put on client accessibility. Mr. Giles and I want to make sure that our clients have direct access to an attorney. And so whether that means that they're able to pick up a telephone and get a hold of us within a reasonable amount of time, to have readily accessible office appointments, we want to make sure that they know that if they hire Giles Law, that they're going to have a lot of one-on-one interaction with an attorney who's going to be very familiar with their case and them personally. So when you come to Giles Law after your automobile collision, you are going to meet with an attorney. You are going to be heard. We are going to listen to all of the details of your case, listen to you, learn about your injuries and how this is affecting your life and your family. And then we are going to provide you with the help and assistance that you need so that you can start on the road to recovery.